NetSupport Manager comes with the NetSupport Manager Deploy utility, which provides network administrators with the facility to install and configure NetSupport Manager on multiple workstations without the need to visit the machines individually. If you've been manually installing NetSupport Manager, whether it be the client or the control onto your machines, now is the time to level up and use the Deploy utility to save yourself time. You need to open up NetSupport Manager on a device that has it installed and specifically look for the Manager Deploy utility. If you don't have that, run the NetSupport Manager installer and make sure you select the Deploy utility to add that to your fleet of tools that you can use. Now, once the deploy utility pops up, you have the ability to deploy using an IP address range, either specified IP ranges or computers within an IP range local to the control, via Windows domain, or alternatively provided with a view of your network. These methods will allow you to pick and choose which computers you want to deploy to. I'm selecting computers nearby my demo client that I'm using right now. It's currently searching for those devices in network. There we go. Now it sees everything that's within range that I could potentially deploy out to. Now with NetSupport Manager Deploy, you can do quite a few things. You can remotely install a NetSupport Manager package on multiple workspaces simultaneously. You can create and download a specific client configuration to multiple workstations. You can remotely update the NetSupport Manager license details on multiple workstations. So if your license has changed, you've added or reduced license counts, you can actually push out that new license file. And you can also remotely uninstall a NetSupport Manager package from multiple workstations simultaneously. Now, to do this, you need to go into your NetSupport Deploy. You need to select from either your network or your security tab the devices that you want to apply the action to. Selecting Control A will select all of them just like the normal hotkey combinations will, or you can select Control and individually select the devices you wish to apply the settings to. Then simply select Deploy and choose the step that you would like to take with those specific devices. Now you can also deploy via Active Directory, Intune, SDCM, and multiple options. You can check out our NetSupport YouTube page to view the Manager install video for a full walkthrough on the installation options, including a section on remote deployment options. You can also check out netsupportmanager.com, visit the resources area, and open up the NetSupport manual to view the instructions for deploying, any configurations or any settings you might need in order to do that, and the step-by-step procedure for ensuring that your deployment is done accurately and efficiently.